Looks like Amy got some hatching eggs. I'm going to do a video of opening up some hatching eggs.
So people online post these videos about unboxing things and everybody loves it. So I'm going to post a video just being funny of unboxing hatching eggs, because for me this is like a Christmas present. Hatching eggs come all kinds of different ways. Some people box them really well and some people stink at it. My least favorite is when I open up a box of shavings, so I'm hoping that's not what is the case on this one. I see some bubble wrap, so it should be good. Oh, nice. She's got like foam and all kinds of stuff in here. I'm going to try to move this bubble wrap. Bits of foam. When you buy hatching eggs, you get lots of bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. And she used these cool little foam shippers, which is nice because they're not likely to be damaged. See? I got hatching eggs. I ordered 12. This one's a tough one, so I want to put them pointy side down, but it's a pretty round egg. It's kind of hard to decide. I'm just going to guess. And here's another 6. This isn't too bad. Sometimes they come and each individual egg is bubble wrapped, and that takes forever to unbox them, but this is kind of nice. It's easy, simple. And she left me a note that said there's 2 extra eggs in here that are bubble wrapped up, so that was nice of her. Just in case something doesn't hatch, she included an extra, and I think that's awesome. Very generous. When you get hatching eggs, you should never expect that 100% of them are going to hatch. I have hatches that 1 will hatch, none will hatch. I shoot for 50%. 50% makes me excited. That's just kind of the gamble that you take when you buy hatching eggs, and you just never know what's going to happen. They get shook up a little bit by the Postal Service, so you just don't know. If I can get half of them to hatch, I'm super excited. More is even better, but you know, it is what it is. So here is the eggs that she sent, and they're pretty awesome. I'm going to let these rest for 12 hours before they go into my incubator, just so that everybody can settle down inside here before they start to develop. And they'll go into the incubator that's already warmed up and ready for them, and we'll be good to go.